Hey guys, what's up? I'm Yash, this side from Local SEO Club, and in this video I'll be going over how you can build citations in a better and more efficient way. Also, just to note that in case you want more such videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be coming up with really great content on local. Okay, so now let's directly jump into the video and start with what is citation. So citation is basically a mention of your business, particularly name, address, and phone number on any other website. Most probably it's gonna be a directory website. So what's complicated in making citations, right? You might think that it's a very basic thing and anyone could make it just by going into Google and just going into a particular directory and clicking on adding a listing and then filling out all the information. But the main and most important thing lies behind it is on which directories are you listing your business. Okay, and in this video I'll be going over the exact strategy that I use for my clients, which helps me bring great results for them. So we'll be mainly going over how you can find directories that actually helps you rank. You don't have to go on Google and search US or UK citation list and then list on those particular websites. This is a very old way. We are gonna do it in a better and more efficient way that I said. So in this one that I said, we'll see where our competitors are already listed and then we'll list our business on those sites. So without any further ado, let's directly jump into the video. So first tool that we are going to use, I'll give you the link of it in the description, and it's a paid tool. But in case you want a free tool, you can use citationbuilderpro.com. It's absolutely free. It's not as powerful as Whitespark, but it does a good job. I'll show you both ways to do it. So now let me show you the pricing of Whitespark, and then we'll jump into how to use Whitespark to find some really great citations. Okay. Quickly, let me decrease the size. Okay, so we have 5 plans over here. First free, then small business, and then specialist, agency, and enterprise. So free is enough if you have only one client, or if you're a small business owner and you're looking to do SEO on your own. Okay, free is enough. Okay, the second one is small business. It's gonna cost you $33 a month, but I'm pretty sure you will use it only for a month because you could get citation for all of your clients within that particular month. Okay, now let's jump into the dashboard of Whitespark. See, now this is the dashboard you're gonna see in Whitespark once you have logged in. Click on launch under local citation finder. Okay, and just give it a second and it will load. Now we'll have to click on new campaign and just click over there, and now put the campaign name here, then business name, then address, country, phone number, keyword. Okay, you don't need to put tens of keywords here. Just put one primary keyword or maybe 2 or 3 secondary keywords as well. So I've already analyzed one business just to save a couple minutes, and here's the output you're gonna get. Let me quickly show you. Okay, so it's loading. Just give it a second. You will get 4 main sections over here. First, to-do list, my citations, opportunities, comparison. Okay, so opportunities and comparisons are the ones that we'll mainly use, and to-do list and my citations are just here, but we are not going to use that. Okay, so we have my citations. It will show all the directories where you are already listed. Okay, you could see that. Now the main ones, it's opportunities, and then we have comparison. Now opportunities are some of the citation where you could list your business on. Some of them are niche specific and some are country specific. Now let's come to comparison tab. This is the most important one, as I said. Here you will see a comparison of your citations with reference to your competitors. You could either copy them or directly export them using this. Okay, so just have a look at this. Isn't this really good? You're getting a hell lot of directory websites where you could just list your business on, and the beauty of it is your competitors have already listed on these websites, and so it's a win-win situation, right? So to just export this, just click on this and you could either export it on CSV or PDF. Gotcha? Now I would suggest to just export this and just give it to your VA if you really want to save your time, or you could build it on your own as well. Now let's check out the free version. So the name of the free tool is citationbuilderpro.com. There might be other tools as well in the market that does this job, but I'm just aware of these 2 at this moment. Okay, this video is not sponsored at all. Now let's have a look at Citation Builder Pro and how we can get some good citation list from it. Okay, just note that it's not gonna give you a complete competitor report. Rather, it will give you a citation list based on the niche and country you're targeting. So to get tool, just click on free tools and just click on dashboard under local citation finder. And again, it's gonna take a second to load. And what you have to do is click on add a business, and then just put the business details here. Okay, just put the business name, city, phone, country, and the state as well. Just click on submit, and within a minute it's gonna give you lots of information where you could list your business on. So I've already done this, so let me quickly show you. So this is there's a section named the business here, and I have already, if you see, I have already listed 2 of them. So just click on citation report by clicking on this. Okay, it's gonna take a second. And now here you see we have 3 sections here: existing citations, possible citations, citations created by us. Okay, this section is particularly for Citation Builder Pro team, so it's of no use for us. Okay, so existing citations, these are not all of the citations where you have listed. These are just the ones that Google has indexed, and Citation Builder Pro is able to recognize them. Okay, we have got a hell lot of directory lists where you could just list your business within a click. Okay, just export this again, as I said, and just hand this to your VA so that he or she could handle it and list your business on all these websites. Okay, because again, it's gonna take your big chunk of time. So you could also click on download CSV or download PDF, whatever you want. And yeah, these sites are gonna be mainly within your niche, and then also within your country. Okay, yeah, so this was all about the video. Let me know if you like the video. Also, if you have any query, feel free to comment below and I will make sure to answer it. Bye bye.